Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to cover the animal farm a little bit. I wanted to show you what I'm invested in and where I'm putting my money to make more money. But before I do that, I wanted to quickly give a shout out to my airdrop that's going to be happening on November 15th, just a couple days from now, and it is my team leader airdrop. If you're curious what the requirements are, you can come to dripteam828.com, read over this, make sure that you understand the requirements. So on the 15th, it will be this airdrop and this airdrop. So you've got two different chances to receive that airdrop, and I will tell you that this airdrop is going to be around 34 drip tokens, and this airdrop is going to be around 8 drip tokens. But just make sure to follow the requirements needed for those airdrops. I'll put a link to this website in the YouTube description. But today, let's talk about the animal farm. So I am currently invested in a couple different avenues of this site. I'm invested in the PigPen, Piggy Bank, Dog Pound, Farms, and Drip Garden. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Drip Garden. You can see the total LP locked has gone down. If you've been paying attention, it was around 500,000 or so probably a month and a half ago. But it's gone down significantly because the farms opened up where people can take their LP reward from the garden, stake them in the farms, and earn some dogs tokens. But as you can see, I am slowly increasing my total amount of plants grown. I'm currently earning around 180,000 plants a day with my 5.6 million plants, and I'm using a website called drip.formulate.finance to track my numbers. You can see my daily returns in USD is around 27, and I'm earning around 187,000 plants. And there are some other numbers. If you decide to upgrade and make a donation to the site, you actually get the premium version. There are other stats that you get to see. Do I think the Drip Garden is still worth it? Yes and no. You like that answer? Yes and no. If you are starting off with a larger amount of a deposit, let's say you were to put in 150 LP tokens, which really is not that much money compared to what it used to be, you could buy 7 million plants. And with those 7 million plants, if you take a look, I've got 5.6 million. You'd probably earn around 34, 35 bucks a day or so, which I think is a great return, but maybe it's not worth it. Maybe there are better ways to make money at this. So for the time being, I continue to come in here and I click plant seeds every day. Some days I will sell my seeds, but most of the days I'm planting my seeds because I believe that the price of the drip token is going to go back up in value, and when that does, when I come over here, I will still be earning the same amount of LP tokens, but this value is going to be higher. That's just my guess. I'm not a financial advisor, don't know what I'm talking about. I really have no clue, to be honest, but I am hopeful that the drip value will go up and that I will start earning more money in USD every single day. So that's my Drip Garden stance. If we take a look, I do have a Piggy Bank. The time has run out. I don't really earn very much, so I don't really care about it. But when I do come down here and I click sell, I get an LP token of AFP or pigs/BUSD. So let's say I had some of those LP tokens. I could come to PancakeSwap and I could remove the LP, splitting the AFP and the BUSD, and that would give me both of those tokens, which I could then take and put somewhere on this site. Or I could sell them if I wanted, but my main goal here is not to sell the pigs. Now before I jump into the pig pen, I'm going to talk about the farms. So let's click on farms. You can see that I am currently invested in the dog/BUSD farm and the drip/BUSD farm. I don't have very much LPs staked in this farm here, but as you can see, I am earning dogs from staking these tokens. These tokens can be purchased outright, or if you want to get them, you can get them as rewards from the Drip Garden. And that's why we've seen a decline in the Drip Garden value, the total amount that we have locked at the top. Once it resets, it has gone down a bit. That's because people are taking those rewards and staking them into this farm. It's because there's a massive APR, 163%. That is big, that is huge. And the thing that a lot of people are doing is they're staking them here for these dogs tokens. And the reason they are staking and to get these dogs tokens, instead of just selling these tokens to get some drip and BUSD, They are staking them to get the dogs because the dogs tokens can be paired with BUSD and staked here to earn pigs. Everything on this site, I believe, has everything to do with earning pigs, keeping pigs, because pigs pay out the most value. With my current stake here with 21 LP tokens, these tokens here, I am earning pigs I would think that somewhat quickly for not a large stake. I think I put in around $350 total, so I split $175 to buy dogs and $175 to buy BUSD, and then I combined those two using their liquidity tool. It's this link right up here. I used that tool to get these tokens and stake them to earn pigs. Now the cool thing about this farm and this farm here is that both of these, there is no deposit or withdraw fee. Clicking on details, 0% fee, details, 0% fee. However, you come down here, details, 1 and 2% fee. Details, 2% fee, and down and down. So there are very minimal fees granted. Those fees are small. If you're used to working with drip and you go and you're like, okay, I'm going to claim, well, there's a 10% tax. And then you go to sell, there's a 10% tax. Well, everything is lower, 2% fees. It's really not that much. But the cool thing, and the thing that I am really trying to work up towards here, is the more pigs I earn, the more money I make every time someone makes a transaction on the site. And so let's jump over to the PigPen, and right up at the very top it says, PigPen is the Animal Farm's governance staking pool, which allows AFP, this is pigs, this is the new version of pigs, AFP holders to secure a shared ownership of the Animal Farm platform. So you are you're owning a percentage of the Animal Farm platform. By owning a percentage, you earn dividends in the form of BUSD and pigs that are generated from deposit and withdrawal fees from the farms and pools, taxes that are applied to dog transactions, yield earned on lending, and Piggy Bank fees. So pretty much everything that you can do on this site, all the fees that are paid from other people to do things on the site, if you own pigs, you earn dividends in the form of BUSD and pigs. And this is really, really cool. This is the whole thing that everybody's talking about online. You never have to sell the underlying asset, but you are rewarded in BUSD and pigs. This is huge. This is the whole idea behind the Animal Farm. You never want to sell your underlying assets. You just want to earn the dividends that are paid every time someone participates on the site. So let me say that one more time. You earn pigs, you deposit those pigs here, and then you earn a share based on the total number of pigs that you have. That share is paid in BUSD and pigs. So you can grow your pigs balance, which increases your stake in the Animal Farm, and you earn BUSD at the same time. Now, there are 3 different buttons on this page. Compound pigs and claim BUSD, withdraw pigs and claim rewards. The button that I've been pressing the majority of the time is compound pigs and claim BUSD, because the more amount of pigs that I have here, the higher my stake is and the more I earn when people use the website. It's a really cool process, and I don't know any other site that uses this type of process to give people money. And it's just so fun coming in here every morning. Every day I've been earning around $4 or $5, and it's cool to see that I don't have to sell my pigs. The pigs just sit there, they collect these earnings, and then I compound the earnings of pigs, and I withdraw the earnings of BUSD back into my MetaMask wallet. Yes, if you did want to put in some pigs and you wanted to take that money out immediately, the most you could do is take out 2% of your total of value of pigs every day. These are not earnings. This is allowing you to remove your staked pigs balance every day by 2%. So after 50 days, you could essentially withdraw your entire 7.61 pigs, and then you could do whatever you want with those pigs. You could sell them or whatever, but in my opinion, it's better to just deposit them here, let them sit there, and let them earn you BUSD. Hopefully you can see what I'm getting at here. There is an endless cycle where you can make BUSD rewards and pigs, and all you have to do is invest in one of these different areas. Whether it's the drip garden, you earn those drip/BUSD LP tokens, and you take those tokens, you add them to this farm, and you earn some dogs tokens. Then you take your dogs tokens and you add a little bit of BUSD to them and you stake them here. With this, you earn pigs tokens. Then you take the pigs tokens by claiming them, you take them over to the PigPen, you deposit them here, and you earn BUSD and more pigs. So this cycle is amazing. I am truly, truly loving this. And hopefully you guys will see the value in this. And if you want to get started today with the animal farm, there are links down below for you. You can join and sign up getting started with the drip garden. You could immediately jump in, buy some pigs outright and deposit those into the pig pen. There are so many ways to make money with the animal farm. It is ridiculous. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of insight on what I'm doing. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave a comment below. I do my best to answer every single question that is left on my videos. I dare you to check my videos and see if I've missed anyone's comment. But other than that, hopefully this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, you can also join my Telegram group. I've got some really great admins on there that are very knowledgeable. I'm very thankful for them. And stay tuned also for that drip airdrop going out on November 15th to all the team leaders that qualify from the requirements on dripteam828.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.